You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. We're going to be looking at how it's pronounced in Norwegian. It's derived from Old Norse. It translates to swing around. Norwegian, Sverre, Sverre, Sverre. There might be slightly different pronunciation in Swedish or Danish, but it'd be along those lines as Scandinavian pronunciation, Sverre. So, therefore, in English, you could say it English pronunciation, Sverre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.